Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Olympiad Maths class. So today we are going to be solving this equation. So equations like this, we call them initial equation. So this is what? It says if 4 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. So if you want to solve question like this, we solve this step by step. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So we have 4 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. So now, this 4 raised to power x, so if you want to express this in a simpler form, 4 is also equals to what? 2 raised to power 2. Why? Because 2 raised to power 2 is equals to what? 4. So now we are going to express this one as 2 raised to the power of x. Then we close bracket, then this power of 2 here, we are going to write it here. So this 2 is multiplying this, what? This x here. You get that now? So we now have minus. So now we also have 2 raised to power x plus 1. So this one now, if you want to express this one now, it's also the same as, this x now. This x is representing any number. You get that now? Maybe 5, or let's say 5 for example. It's also the same as 2 raised to power 5. You get that now? And you can also say times 2. You get that now? So if you want to write this now, it's also the same as, according to the law of indices, it's also the same as what? 2 raised to power 5 plus what? Plus 1. You get that now? So 2 raised to power 5 plus 1. So that's how we can write that now. So now, looking at this one now, we can also write it as what? This one also means what? 2 raised to power x. You can open bracket, which is still multiplying what? Multiplying, that is times what? Times 2, which is still 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 is 2 what? Is still 2. So we now have minus this 3. You get that now? Equals to 0. You get that now? So now, looking at this, I want to write it in a neat way. You get that now? For you to understand better. So we can also write this now as what? 2 raised to power what? X, close bracket, which is power of this, then minus what? This 2, which is still, you can still write it this way. 2 multiply, open bracket, what? 2 raised to power what? X, then close bracket, which is minus what? 3 equals to what? 0. So this one is just a rough working. Get that now? So which is this. Now I want you to look at this very well. We can say, so to simplify this now, we can say let 2 raised to power x be equals to what? V. So we want to substitute V for 2 raised to power x in this equation here. So now let's quickly do that. So we now have V raised to power 2 minus 2V minus what? 3 is equals to what? 0. Now, looking at this now, you see that it has become what? A quadratic equation. So now we want to use the quadratic formula to solve this quickly. So now the quadratic formula is what? So because we are having V as the variable, we have V equals to what? Minus B plus or minus raised to power B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. You get that now? So therefore, our V is equals to what? V is equals to what? So we have V is equals to, now what is our B in this equation? Our B is what? Minus 2. Let me write out our B first. So we have our A in this equation is what? A is equals to what? 1, which is what? The coefficient of B squared. So our B is equals to what? Minus 2, which is the coefficient of V. Minus 2. Then our c is what? Equals to what? Minus 3. So we are going to include all this into this what? Into this formula. So we have v equals to what? Now you have minus, open bracket, minus 2, include bracket, plus or minus root what? Root minus 2, open bracket, then square. Then we have what? Minus what? 4, open bracket. What is our a? Our a is 1. Yes, then open bracket what? What our c is also what? Minus 3. So all over what? 2, open bracket what? 1. So therefore we have our v is equals to what? So this minus times this minus will give us what? This minus times this minus will give us what? Will give us plus. So we have 2 plus or minus what? Root. Now minus 2 raised to power 2 is what? Is 4. So we have 4. You get that now? So now this minus 4 times 1 will give us what? Minus 4. So that minus 4 multiplied by this minus 3. So minus 4 times minus 3. Minus times minus is plus. So 4 times 3 will give us what? 12. So we have plus what? 12. You get that now? So all over what? All over 2 times 1, which is 2. You get that now? So now, in simplifying this, is still equals to what? This one is still equals to what? 2. So 2 plus or minus root what? 16 all over what? 2. So now root 16. So therefore our v is equals to what? So we have 2 plus or minus what? So our root 16 will give us what? Will give us 4 all over what? 2. You get that now? So with this is also equals to what? Is the same as what? So it's still the same as what? 2 plus 4 over 2, or 2 minus 4 over what? 2. So now our v is also the same as what? Equals to what? So now 2 plus 4 is what? 6 over what? 2. You get that now? So which is also the same as what? 2 plus. So v is equals to 6 all over 2, or what? Or now 2 minus 4 will give us what? Minus 2 over what? Over 2. So therefore v is equals to what? 6 divided by 2 is what? Is 3. Or what? Or minus 2 divided by 2 will give us what? Minus 1. You get that now? So therefore, but initially we said let 2 raised to power x be equals to v. So therefore we will recall 2 raised to power x is equals to what? V. So therefore we now say what? 2 raised to power x is equals to what? 3. You get that now? So or 2 raised to power x equals to minus 1. So now we are going to be taking the logarithm of this. So since we are going to be taking the natural logarithm of this, we can't say 2 raised to power x is equals to what? Minus 1. You get that now? So our answer can't be negative. You get that now? So therefore our answer is what? So what we get here is what? 2 raised to power x equals to what? 3. So we are going to proceed with this answer here. You get that now? So therefore we now proceed. We say this 2 raised to power x is equals to what? 3. So we are having 2 raised to power x is equals to 3. So we are going to take the natural logarithm of both sides. So we have in 2 raised to power x is equals to what? In 3. You get that now? So Now, according to the law of logarithm, since this one is 2 raised to power x, this x can come and multiply this ln. You get that now? So we can still write it as x ln 2, and natural logarithm equals to what? Natural logarithm of 3. You get that now? So therefore, we are going to divide both sides by what? Natural logarithm of 2. You get that now? So therefore, if you divide both sides by the natural logarithm of 2, we will get what? X is equals to what? So yes, we are going to get x is equals to natural logarithm of 3 all over what? Natural logarithm of what? Of natural logarithm of 2. So now which is equals to, so the natural, you are going to press your calculator, the natural logarithm of 3 is what? Will give us 1.0986123. Then all over. So our natural logarithm of 2 will give us what? 0.693147. So if you divide this our answer will be what? X equals to what? X equals to 1.5849625. So therefore, this is our final answer. So thanks very much. I would like you to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my social media handle. It is Don Crown Math Class. Thank you.